Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Campsite. This week is going to be a little different because we bring to you 12 hobbies, one for each month, to make 2019 the best year you've ever had.
A clean slate for New Year, a sketchbook for your thoughts and a calendar to keep track of your events. Call it what you may, but bullet journaling is the best way to kickstart a New Year. Your reason for bullet journaling should be to put your life in order and not to make your journal pretty and perfect. Pens and books have always proven to boost our creativity. Add a bit of color to make your journal more beautiful.
The point of bullet journaling is that when you color it in, it's very therapeutic. So you don't get that in like a digital version. There you just click on the color and you click on the box and it's over. So here you take it down, you have all your colors around you and you pick up what you want to.
So, crack open a book right now and start journaling through 2019.
Here's a reminder to all you lovelies out there that Valentine's Day is coming up. There is nothing like spending time with our loved ones this February. And what better way to indulge than trying our hand at some baking? All it takes is some simple ingredients and a little time to spare. Throw it all together and we have some delicious red velvet cupcakes.
Baking, I was very apprehensive in the beginning, but my daughter, she is very much into it, so she encouraged me to try it out, and we like to bake together, so it's a good fun thing to do, and she helps me out actually.
Art has always been a great way to express ourselves. But what if I tell you that paint is not the only thing to put on your canvas? You can even paint with coffee. Meet Sapna Noronha to tell you more.
I was working on art. I had a talent for drawing right from my young age. So I always excelled in art competitions and craft and all that stuff. So maybe it was a hobby during my school days, but I wanted to take it up very seriously. So after college, I got into it. Coffee was always a love and a cup, but never thought that I would ever have coffee on my canvas. So when I got this opportunity, I started to explore my canvas with coffee. Now coffee has always been of the rich, so I thought why not I include gold. So I worked with gold acrylic blended with coffee so that gold enhances the look of coffee.
All this excitement is making me hungry, but where do we eat?
Don't worry, I've got you covered. This is where food bloggers come in handy. When it comes to food, they know exactly where to go. The next time you visit a restaurant, take the time to post your thoughts and reviews on the food you had there. Food blogging helps others get a better idea on the quality of food and the service at these places, all through the click of an app.
Even though I'm busy, I'm into food blogging, and my love for food led me to many places. Eventually I started blogging. Well, I hope if you follow your passion, you'll get into the right path.
So this April, try food blogging. Put your binge eating to good use.
Month of May, a time of holiday, and you got a lot of free time with you. How about investing some of your quality time in producing something that will be productive for the entire year? Terrace gardening. That sounds something interesting, right? Monsoons are coming up, and this is the right time to put up your own terrace garden on your rooftop. Let's get to know something more about this. Converting a concrete terrace into a green yard is really a good hobby. You can spend little time with the nature, and that will give you a real happiness. Cultivating vegetables with homemade manure will yield some income too. Moreover, you will end the day with more satisfaction and sleep peacefully under the cool terrace.
If you think positive, we can grow each and everything in our terrace. Terrace garden is a very simple but not easy, because we have to give our time, love, care and hard work.
So find some vegetable seeds and soil and start gardening today itself. Happy gardening!
Limited place we can grow and we can get unlimited fruits and vegetables, because I am doing since last 20 years.
What if I tell you that you could create magic out of paper? Don't believe me? Then check out what we have in store for you.
Are you looking to do something creative as a hobby? If yes, origami, the Japanese art of folding paper, is a perfect option for you. Not only is it creative, but it's also pretty easy to pursue.
Origami for me has gone well beyond the kindergarten classroom. Inspired from the boats we used to fold in our younger age, I have developed this hobby, and I have been folding ever since then.
Origami is practiced with the help of special paper which is thin and which can be folded multiple times. The unique thing about this paper is that it can be folded without getting torn. What if we told you that origami can be related to maths as well? Here is Addy ma'am to tell us more about the world of mathematics.
Origami facilitates learning by doing. Look here, just a fold can be done even by a small child. But what comes out is a pentagon without any efforts, that too a regular pentagon.
6 hobbies down and 6 more to go. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back after a short break. Welcome back to Campus Eye. We bring to you 6 more power-packed stories that will inspire you to take up these hobbies.
What more can you think of using your lips, breath and voice? Beatboxing is one such talent. Meet Navil Hritvik, a beatboxer who mesmerizes everybody through his talent.
Beatboxing is something fun, creativity, or you can say it is something natural. So it is especially in the music field. So I learnt it by seeing YouTubes, and myself I practice every day. Then if you are into the music, you can learn beatbox. So you need not go to any training center or any tuitions. You can just watch YouTube channels.
Pookalam is an intricate and colorful arrangement of flowers laid on floor. It is also known as flower rangoli and is an integral part of 10-day Onam festival. A variety color of flowers are used each day and each of them have their own significance. It is seen as a symbol to welcome the king Mahabali, who visits once in a year, and to ensure happiness and prosperity forever.
Compared to Rangoli, Pookalam looks more fresh and lively, and it's fun going with friends and family.
Making a Pookalam doesn't have to be about one culture. So this August, be a part of Onam festivities and make a Pookalam with your friends. When you mix art and creativity, anything can be a canvas.
How about we make your face a canvas?
Why not? Let's give it a try.
With face painting, we can adorn ourselves with common colors and decorations, painting them on our face to make them feel more prominent and permanent. Decorating our faces in various patterns and shapes has been a part of our cultural makeup and many societies since the beginning of time. Face painting is very much part of Indian culture, especially in tribal art and even today. It is an intrinsic part of the drama and dance community in Indian life. Art forms like Kathakali uses elaborate facial makeup to create in the minds of the audience an atmosphere of the supernatural. However, these days people use face painting as a form of accessory in concerts and carnivals. So grab a friend and splash some colors and create a masterpiece this September. Why complicate things when you can keep it simple? Doodling is easy, fun, and light in your pockets. Just grab a pen and paper and you're all set to go. Most doodles are simple yet quirky, and it is all about making them your own. Mandala designs have proven to be a relaxing experience to create, and the end result is absolutely satisfying.
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite one. Okay, so it took about 4 hours to complete it, and as you can see the end result, it's worth it.
So this month, don't forget to turn some plain old boring paper into a work of art with doodling.
Have you considered playing an instrument but found it too difficult? Maybe this November, make your life really musical and learn how to play a ukulele.
I've been playing ukulele since 2 years. I've basically studied guitar, but I prefer uke because it's simple to read and it's comfortable to carry around, and it's one sweet instrument. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I
to your mind when you think of December? Christmas? What if the power fails on a Christmas Eve, and how will you manage it? Candles? Let's see how they are made.
History of candle making goes back to 300 BC. Earlier, these candles were made from tallow and beeswax, but now it is made from paraffin wax. They are not only used as a source of light, but also for religious purpose. Later, candle making became a popular occupation. It is also one of the most popular hobbies that makes you feel relaxed. One of the basic requirements to cultivate this hobby is to have variety of molds according to your creativity, for which plastics, bottles, craft papers can be used.
Candle making is a very good hobby. It's an easy job. It's not difficult as you think. You can do it being at home. Try, and it inspires you to do more.
That is all for today, folks.
Hope you enjoyed today's episode.
Stay tuned for more.
Until next time, this is Nafeesa.
This is Anil.
This is Harshita.
This is Sneha, and this is Team
Team
Campsite
Campsite signing off.